Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand SR latch using NOR gates. First, let's look at the components used in this circuit. We are using one battery, two NOR gates, and two switches. The two switches are used as set and reset inputs. Before we understand the circuit, let's first understand what a latch is. A latch is a simple memory circuit that can store one bit of data. It can remember the previous state even after the input is removed. This is why latch circuits are used in memory and digital electronics. In this circuit, we are using two NOR gates connected in feedback configuration. The output of one NOR gate is connected to the input of the other NOR gate. This feedback allows the circuit to store its state. Here we are using NOR gate for educational purpose. NOR gate creates an active high latch. In real-world applications, NAND gates are more commonly used, which creates an active low latch. Now let's understand how this circuit works. When both inputs are low, the circuit holds its previous state. This means the latch remembers its last output. When set input is high and reset is low, the output Q becomes high. This is called the set condition. When reset input is high and set is low, the output Q becomes low. This is called the reset condition. Now let's look at the truth table. I will also show the truth table on the screen. When S equals 0 and R equals 0, Q equals hold. When S equals 0 and R equals 1, Q equals reset. When S equals 1 and R equals 0, Q equals set. When S equals 1 and R equals 1, Q equals invalid condition. The last condition is avoided because both outputs become unstable. Now let's observe the circuit operation. When I press the set switch, the output becomes high and stays high even after releasing the switch. This shows the memory behavior of the latch. When I press the reset switch, the output becomes low and remains low. Again, the circuit remembers its state. Now look at the waveforms in the simulation. The first waveform is reset input R. The second waveform is set input S. And the third waveform is output Q. You can see that whenever set becomes high, the output goes high. Whenever reset becomes high, the output goes low. When both inputs are low, the output holds its previous state. This confirms that the circuit is working as an SR latch using NOR gates. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electronics explanations.